Hey, it's Joel, and welcome back to the Joel Homie Show. This is my little sister Joy, and this is part one, or day one, of yet again another vacation with my grandparents. This is something we do yearly, so we're going to be going for about 2.5 weeks, and this year we're going to be taking my mom and my little sister Joy. So let's go ahead and go in the trailer, and I'll go and quickly show you guys what I have packed. So inside the trailer, for those of you that haven't seen any of my vlog style videos or any of my vlog videos on my vlog channel in specific, this is my grandparents' sort of Montana fifth wheel trailer. So the simple layout is dining room, kitchen, this couch pulls out into a bed. These are called slide outs. They quite literally slide out, but slide in when you're on the road so that everything's more compact. And then most of my stuff is packed under the staircase here, which I'll quickly do a run over of what I have. So under here, I just have some simple things, like this is a bag of clothes, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, that type of stuff. And then here I've got like my laptop and some things that I'll be using just for self-entertainment as well as editing for these videos. And then tripod, box for the RC stuff, and then there is the 12. Behind all of that is the 10, which I decided to put by itself so that it didn't get damaged because of all the small details up there, which has a pillow in front of it. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get on the road and see where this trip takes us. So as we usually do, we just stopped at McDonald's. I'm heading in now to help my grandfather with the food. Got a McGriddle, hash brown, and orange juice. And this is the first time that we're doing this with COVID, so time to put the mask on, I guess. Stylish. McGriddle. So we've just made our first of many stops to come. I'm going to grab my headphones because I forgot them in the trailer. But anyway, so first of many stops, as I said, and oh my goodness, even while we're still in California, it is absolutely roasting out here. So I'm gonna get in the trailer, grab a couple things, and then we'll get back on the road. Right then, so it is the second of, once again, many stops to come, and we are currently still in Nevada, and oh boy, it is absolutely roasting out here. Not sweating it, obviously, because I've been walking around and it's a little bit breezy, but it's hotter than where I live. Either way, it is absolutely roasting out here, so I'm going to get back in the truck where it's, you know, not 105 degrees outside. Right then, so we have just arrived in Willow Wind Hurricane. So we've actually stayed here before, and last time we stayed, it was an absolutely amazing stay. This place is beautiful, as you can see. Definitely a lot more green than where I come from. But either way, last time I was here, I got my haircut. I actually just got my haircut before we left, so just thought I'd mention that as a bit of an odd thing that happened last time we stayed here. But either way, I'll go ahead and set up the tripod and get a time lapse of us setting up the trailer, and then, well, I guess we'll continue from today. But either way, let's go ahead and set up the tripod and get the trailer set up. Right, so the trailer is now set up. So at this point, as far as I know, we're gonna go set up on the inside, like lay down rugs and stuff like that, make sure nothing fell out and broke. And at that point, I'm pretty sure I'm going on a walk with my grandmother. Hopefully we can go find something to eat, maybe some antique stores or thrift stores. Right then, so there is day one, or part one, of this year's vacation with my grandparents, my mom, and my little sister. I'll come up with a fancy little name for this as I'm editing and posting this so that it can go up tomorrow. But either way, my grandmother and I ended up going to a little supermarket to get some groceries. I got a little Lego set that I might build tonight just for my own fun, and I ended up taking out the 10, as you can see there, which happens to be the noisiest thing here. But either way, I was Joel Homie, and if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,